I am Cedric van Hoek from Resortecs, and we make stitching threads that dissolve at high temperature. We all know that we need to recycle much more, but zippers and buttons make garment recycling complicated. It requires a lot of manual labor that is costly and time-consuming. This stitching thread can be used in existing stitching machines and allows for automated disassembly. You just have to apply heat, no manual labor is needed.
This is William, mechanical engineer at Resortecs, and I work on the development of the continuous disassembly line for textile products stitched with Resortecs threads. It would have a capacity of around 1,500 pieces of garments per hour and would need to be ideally located in Central Europe to be positioned between the recyclers and the first customers.
I'm Vanessa Koenart. I'm the co-founder of Resortecs. The next step for us as a company is we need the brands to go bold and take our pilots to the next step, invest in our company at this stage. We really want to take over the industry with disassembly of garments and textiles. The risk is limited and we need the money now. The planet has no endless resources. We need to think about resources a different way. And one way of thinking about those resources is by reusing and having this circular approach to material.
I'm Rawa Ammar. I'm the environmental scientist at Resortecs, and Resortecs will be the missing piece to allow closing the loop and therefore reducing up to 50% of CO2 emission per garment compared to any benchmark.
We really want to take over the industry with disassembly of garments and textiles. Supply for disassembly.
That's how we call it.